This is a meditation on sleep. It is intended to help you more easily fall asleep and also sleep more deeply and comfortably. For this session, I recommend putting on a pair of comfortable headphones or earbuds as you lay down in bed. I'll talk for a bit and then gently fade away and allow the soundscape to just allow you to drift off. If at any point you feel you're starting to fall asleep, just gently take off your headphones and allow your mindset to remain in this same relaxed state. And as you get prepared and lay down in bed, this is a time when many of us often desire sleep. Our efforts to try and will ourselves to sleep prove unsuccessful. And so we grow more frustrated. We find more to worry about, try harder to sleep, and the frustrating cycle just builds on itself. This is also a time when your mind often likes to think, to plan for tomorrow, to think of what you need to do, to worry. But none of this is necessary right now. We're going to take a different approach. As we begin, just allow yourself to settle in and lie comfortably. Gently draw your attention to your breathing. Just allow yourself to continue breathing naturally. And recognize each time you feel the air move in and out of your nostrils. And gently, calmly, effortlessly. This is your time, in this moment, for you to simply be here, right now. And that's all you need to care about. Continuing to breathe in and out, calmly and gently. Allow yourself to be accepting of stray thoughts, but when they arise, also be willing to let them float away, off into the distance. You have no need for them. They're no use to you. Your goal is simply a full and complete presence and satisfaction with this moment and feeling every passing second. You are here now, and it will always be this exact moment. And all the infinite forces and variables that led you to be here right now. It's quite a beautiful thing if you allow yourself to welcome it in. Gently in and out, feeling every nerve of your body, feeling your blood flow, feeling yourself against the bed within this space. Notice your chest moving gently up and down with each breath. You can use this and the air movement through your nostrils as a focus for you to be here in the present. And as you do so, even imagine yourself outside of your own body, as if you're standing beside your bed, watching, observing. Notice the shape of the room and all the small details and intricacies. Those little things that make this space uniquely yours.